In their natural habitat, alpacas thrive. We provide them with a vast, safe environment, ensuring comfort and well-being, which is paramount to the fiber's quality. The journey of the world's finest fiber begins high in the Andes Mountains, where the alpaca roam free. This is the origin of unparalleled luxury. Their diet is carefully managed, primarily fresh grass and hay, supplemented with essential minerals like selenium, nurturing a strong and healthy coat.
All right, nice and easy now. We're just gonna look right back here. Good boy, you're doing great.
Health is non-negotiable. Regular vet checkups, meticulous trimming of their nails and teeth, and routine vaccinations guarantee the herd's vitality. Once a year, typically in the spring, we perform the careful annual shearing. This process is gentle, necessary for the animal's comfort, and yields the precious raw fleece. The raw fleece arrives at the mill. Here, expert hands begin the most critical stage, grading. Fibers are painstakingly sorted by color, length, and most importantly, micron count. Only the finest fibers, like the exquisite Baby Alpaca, are selected. Unlike sheep's wool, alpaca fiber is naturally lanolin-free. Our gentle scouring process thoroughly cleans the fleece without the need for harsh chemicals, preserving its natural softness and hypoallergenic quality. Next, the fibers are carefully carded and combed, disentangling and aligning every strand. This step removes impurities and short fibers, preparing a clean, uniform sliver. The sliver enters the spinning machine. Under controlled tension, it is twisted and drawn out, transforming into the strong, continuous alpaca yarn you know and trust. Whether retaining its rich natural color palette or carefully dyed to perfection, the final yarn is now ready for creation. The yarn is loaded onto the hook. It is expertly woven into a dense, warm fabric, the foundation of the alpaca coat. After weaving, the fabric undergoes a vital finishing process. It is cleaned, pressed, and then meticulously napped, gently raising the fibers to create that signature luxurious softness and thermal retention. Precision is key. Using laser-guided technology or expert hands, the fabric is cut according to the technical pattern, ensuring every piece fits perfectly.
Is the lining sitting correctly on this one?
Yes, almost ready for the fitting.
The cut pieces enter the atelier. Master tailors begin assembling the garment, piece by piece, paying meticulous attention to seam strength, alignment, and the integration of the inner lining. The cut pieces enter the atelier. Master tailors begin assembling the garment, piece by piece, paying meticulous attention to seam strength, alignment, and the integration of the inner lining. A rigorous multi-point quality control inspection ensures that every stitch, every measurement, and the fabric's integrity meets our uncompromising standards. Only then is the Alpaca coat ready for its final presentation and secure packaging. From the purity of the Andes to the hands of the masters. More than just a coat, it is an investment in timeless elegance, warmth, and the unparalleled luxury of alpaca.